From zero to fit, the ultimate gymnastics beginner program. Are you tired of watching others grow stronger while you're stuck wondering how to begin? Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, doubting your strength, your body, your potential? Let me tell you something powerful today. You do need a fancy gym to become your strongest self. You only need one thing, the will to start. Hi, I'm Rakib Hussain. 5 years ago, I began my journey in a small room with no equipment. Just a plastic chair, a door frame, and a dream. Today, I am sharing the exact beginner gymnastics program I followed. A step-by-step system you can do right from your home. No excuses, no fancy machines, just you, your body, and your commitment. Before any physical change happens, there must be a mental shift. You must believe in yourself. Motivation is like a spark. It fades if you don't fuel it daily. So, write down your goals, say them out loud, visualize the stronger version of yourself, and show up for that person. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent, especially on the hard days. Let's begin with something most beginners skip: warming up. And skipping it, that's a mistake. Your muscles are like rubber bands. Cold ones snap, warm ones stretch and perform. So here's a quick 5-minute warm-up. 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of arm circles, 30 seconds of high knees, 30 seconds of bodyweight squats, 30 seconds of shoulder shrugs, and repeat once. This activates your whole body and protects you from injuries. Next comes nutrition, your pre-workout fuel. Your body is like a car, no fuel, no power. Eat 30 minutes before training. A banana with peanut butter, a boiled egg, or a handful of almonds. Simple but effective. Now, let us dive into the core of your beginner training. 5 powerful bodyweight exercises you can do at home. Push-up. They build your chest, shoulders, arms, and back. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Start on your knees. Progress matters, not perfection. Pull-ups don't have a pull-up bar. Use a strong door frame or install an affordable door frame bar. Start with 3 sets of 3 to 5 reps. If you can't do a full pull-up, do negatives. Jump up, then lower down slowly. Dips. Use a sturdy table or 2 chairs. This targets your triceps, shoulders, and chest. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Chair dips. Sit at the edge of a chair. Grip the edge with your hands. Lower yourself, then push back up. 3 sets of 10 reps. A killer for your triceps. Bodyweight squats. Legs are your foundation. Do 3 sets of 15. Back straight, chest up, knees out. Feel the strength build from your legs upward. If you have dumbbells, you can add curls and shoulder presses. But remember, your body weight is your best tool when starting out. Now, how long should you train? Keep it simple. 45 minutes per session, 5 days a week. More than 75 minutes is unnecessary. Don't exhaust, just grow. Here's a solid weekly plan. Monday, full body Tuesday, upper body Wednesday, lower body Thursday, rest Friday, full body Saturday, core plus cardio Sunday, rest after your workout. Your body needs recovery. Within 1 hour, eat something nourishing. Beginner-friendly foods include eggs, boiled chicken or fish, lentils, bananas, peanuts, and green vegetables. These foods support recovery and growth, and they don't break the bank. And don't forget sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. That's when your body rebuilds and grows stronger. Now hear this, you don't need a fancy gym. You don't need the best shoes or equipment. What you need is to start right now. With what you have, with who you are. I built my body from my bedroom. No excuses, no shortcuts, just a vision and discipline. And if you start today, you'll look back one day and say, I did this, I built this. I believed in myself when no one else did. Your journey begins today. So like this video, subscribe, and comment below. I'm starting today. Join the Loyal Gains family, because we rise together. Train smart, eat clean, stay loyal.